Hey guys, James here. I'm your host. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for showing up at the garage here one more time. We've got a lot to show you today in this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's get started on this project. Alright, so I gotta make this piece here, so we thought we would film this kind of shape in this piece. It's got a little curl here, it's got a little dome here, kind of flat here, and then rolled under. So I'm going to start up here like this. Make sure I already got that kind of trimmed in. I need a little roll up here, so I'm going to take this. I just need this to roll up a little bit. So I'm just going to take a 2x4 with a little rolled edge. I'm just going to gently all it needs is that little. So now when I stick that up there, boom, look at that. That looks really good. Alright, so now I need to trace the inside edge. So I'm going to put this up here, trace this inside edge, and I'm going to roll this down like that, trace this other edge. You what? So anytime you cut something with shears, you get a little teeny roll up. So both of these sides, I'm sure you can't see it, but the edge is rolled up. So I'm going to just go on this little T-dolly here, just hammer that. Hammer that edge flat. I want it nice and flat. Alright, so here we have a little bit of a dome. So now this piece is going to go in like that. But you can see how this is flat and that's domed. Alright, see that? So now we got to add a little dome to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold this here. I'm going to be pushing up on it as I hammer it across here. Better? That's looking pretty good, right? See how I got a little dome in there now? It's looking awfully good, I think. I'm going to get that exactly in position. I'm going to mark where I need to bend it here. I'm going to go over this 2x4 again and just bend that over that. Takes a lot of little tweaking. So it doesn't quite fit in there, so now I need to take that up there, and I can see I got to take a little bit off this working with this thin sheet metal, you want really nice tight fits. Alright, so it's fitting in there nice. It's a little high right there. Oosh. Alright, so that's ready to tack. So I'm going to go ahead and tack it in. Alright, so I got one tack in. I'm going to just go ahead and okay, so now I'm not quite matching there. It looks really good along here. So I'm going to go ahead and tack along here and I'll come back and adjust that. Alright, so I'm going to reach up in here. Alright, so now that's nice. So you get it close, and then you can, I'll tack this in. I'm just using the MIG welder because it's a little faster. Alright, so now I got that bar clamped in there, and so I should be able to just bend this up, just like that. And it's a little boat right there, so I'm just going to tap on that. Alright, looks good. So when I take the fender off, I'll trim that up on the inside, get that all matching. So all I got left to do now is blend this part in. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that little notification bell down in the corner somewhere. And that way it gets you notification every time I upload a video, which is generally every Monday morning. I try to get one uploaded. And if you have any comments, don't forget to leave a comment of what you're looking for, what you liked about the video, things that bothered you, or questions that you might have had. So I try to answer everybody's questions. And that's it. So peace out. Have a great one.